Welcome to In Jamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving south in Richmond on the Richmond Main Road. Turning onto Market Lane. If we had continued straight, the road would take us to Aleppo, Zion Hill and the other communities. The road on the right will take you back to the Richmond Main Road. We are now at Railway Road. Going left will take you towards Zion Hill, and going right will take you onto Richmond Main Road. Please remember to subscribe to In Jamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.